Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to give access to Google Forms easily. So let's say that you made this Google form and you want to add or invite others as editor so that they have access into this form. So what you need to do is on the Google Forms, you can just click on the three dots icon, click on more right here, and you'll find the add collaborators option. Click on that. Okay, so here you can just add people or groups to this form. For example, I want to add this account, and you can choose whether you want to notify them or not, or you can also type in the message right here. For example, here is the form that you ask, for example, and you can choose their role, whether you want to oops sorry you can so their role will be editor, so they can have access and also they can edit these forms. And when you're done, you can just click on send. Okay, so the access is now updated. So that is how you can give access to Google Forms to others. I hope this video is helpful to you. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next videos.